If you've heard of the CBP One App, then you've probably also heard that anyone and everyone can use it to legally enter the United States. If that's the case, keep watching this video because you really need to know this information. I'm attorney Lee Marvin, and I've been practicing law for over 20 years, and I've been specializing in immigration law for over a decade. My main office is in Grand Rapids, Michigan, but I do help people from any state in the country and really any country on the planet. Okay? So stick around for a couple minutes because the information I want to give you is going to be really important. I want you to be aware of the false information being spread about this app so you don't destroy your immigration future, okay? So I got a call from my friend. My friend is Colombian. He's in Colombia. He said, hey, Lee, I've been seeing all these videos, all these TikTok videos about the CBP One app and how they're recommending that people use it to enter the United States, to get work permits, and all this kind of stuff. It's not true, okay, first of all, I told him, but I understand why so many people are trying to use it this way because it's a stupid program that was created without thinking through the consequences, okay, which is like so many of the programs that are right now under the gun. It creates more problems than it solves, okay? So I can understand why people from Colombia are seeing this as a huge opportunity that it really is not, because they have not been granted special Biden programs like Venezuela or Cuba or Nicaragua. So they're using this app in a way that was not intended to be used. Why do we care? Why do I care? Why do I caution people? Because it creates problems for you. If you try to use it in a way that's not intended to be used, it's basically considered fraudulent, and it can forever create problems for immigration, for your immigration, okay? So basically it's being used by traffickers or people that are trying to convince people to use it for whatever. The app is intended to help people that are stuck in refugee camps in Mexico to be able to figure out how to get to a point where they can ask the United States government for asylum. It's not a request for asylum. It's just appointment setting for the right to petition or to submit your request for asylum or to come into the United States for your trial, okay? That's it. It's not anything else. It really is the answer to the border crisis and the Remain in Mexico program that Trump created, that Biden has kept, that has created so much controversy, okay? So it's not meant as a loophole or a way to sneak into the country and to get a work permit, which is what people are saying it's for. No. Abusing the system, this program, is the same thing as immigration fraud, and it will catch up with you if you do it. So don't do it, okay? So this is a notice from the government about the app. Each day, CBP One allocates the majority of appointments randomly. The remainder are allocated to the requesters who have been waiting the longest for an appointment. Appointments do not guarantee admission or parole. CBP officers determine on a case-by-case basis whether an applicant may be paroled into the United States, including while they go for immigration proceedings. So it's not a guarantee. It's not what most people think it is, and it really is very limited. So don't make the mistake of trying to use it for what's not intended, because it will catch up with you and it will create major problems in the future. If you like the information in this video, please subscribe. Please click the notification bell to be notified of future videos. And if you have questions about CBP One or some other immigration process like asylum, click the following link to reach directly to me, because I would love to help you succeed with your case.